Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the CEP Pro, a tool marketed as the powerful, ultra-lightweight savior of your yard work, car detailing, and indoor cleaning. It promises a world with no gas, no tools, and no heavy lifting, which sounds like an absolute dream for anyone who treats gardening like a chore from the dark ages. But before you throw away your old rake, we have to ask, is it actually a revolution or just a fancy fan with a very aggressive PR team? Apparently, the internet has thoughts, and they aren't exactly singing its praises. A quick dive into online reviews reveals a crowd of very unhappy campers. Users are reporting misleading ads and promotional items that seem to vanish in a thin air, much like your motivation on a Monday morning. One buyer mentioned a promised second battery and hearing protection never showed up, and when they reached out to customer service, they were met with a resounding, "Not our problem." While the blower is indeed lightweight and handy, users also complain that it's incredibly noisy and feels about as sturdy as a cardboard house in a hurricane. Then there are the lofty claims that the CEP Pro was featured in popular mechanics and Pro Tool reviews. It sounds impressive until you realize there is absolutely no proof of these articles anywhere on the web. It's almost as if these endorsements were conjured up by a marketing department with a very active imagination and zero access to a fact-checker. To make matters worse, most of the product images look like stock photos pulled from a generic search rather than actual photos of the device. If they can't even bother to take a real picture of their own product, you have to wonder what exactly is going to show up at your door. The marketing also pushes free gifts worth a suspicious $150, which feels like a classic too good to be true tactic designed to distract you from the product's actual performance. And if you run into trouble, good luck getting help. Their customer support is limited to a single email address with no phone number or live chat in sight, because nothing says "we care" like a digital black hole. Given the mountain of negative reviews and unverified claims, the CEP Pro looks about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. I'd suggest you proceed with extreme caution. Thanks for sticking around till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.